blade and quill.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you the essential drawing steps to create a cartoon. When I create fantasy characters, I try to keep them simple, just like the one you can see here. This brings me to the very first tip I would like to share with you, which is to never compare yourself to others. So with that in mind, remember to always stay true to yourself. Before starting to draw, I ask myself questions. I write the answers on a piece of paper that I keep right next to me while I work. I've listed a few on this slide. You can pause the video and even take a screenshot if you want. If you have watched some of my previous tutorials, you will recall that I usually start my first drafts by using shapes to outline a body frame. But this time I decided to try something new and started drawing the head first and then slowly moved down the rest of the body. Let's just say it was a big mistake. I ended up with a weird body size and it took me a while to correct it. So please learn from my mistake. This is a big no-no. Use the lasso tool and the transform tool to modify your drawing. Remember, KRITA offers you a wide selection of tools that were specifically created to help you optimize your designs. My favorite brush to sketch is the HP pencil. I do not turn on the pressure button at this stage, nor do I use the stabilizer. As you draw, you will make a lot of changes, so the eraser will become your best friend. Don't be afraid to remove large parts of your drawing. Here, I had to completely redesign the mustache, beard, and hair. To make your character more interesting, imagine maybe a little draft moving the hair, the bottom of the robe and the sleeves. Cartoons are best when you amplify features. Here I have exaggerated the mustache. I think that made the character more likable. What do you think? When you reach a certain stage, try to add some type of drama to your character. Here, for example, I raised his arm to the sky and it made him look like he was casting a spell. Now, hands can be tricky, so make sure they look good. Badly sketched hands will destroy the integrity of your cartoon. The very last step of your drawing is the inking. I use the fill circle brush with my pen pressure button turned on. The stabilizer is also on and I set the distance to 50 and I have a delay of 10. We are almost done. I am pretty happy with the result. This is obviously not the best cartoon ever created, but it is decent. I checked all the boxes that I had listed on my paper. I have a drama, a movement, and the character is likable. So here is a slide with all the different stages it took to create the wizard. As you can see, it takes some work. Since I have covered coloring in several of my previous tutorials, I will not cover it in this one. I think you are sick and tired of seeing it. However, for those of you who missed them, please do not worry, I have added links to those tutorials in the description box. So let's say that you are done with the coloring. Don't forget to add shadows and highlights. You can even add sparks on the staff's crystal ball and maybe on the robe and hat. When all is finished and done, and only if you feel like it, why don't you create a background scene to add even more drama to your character? This castle took me several days to design, create and paint. You don't have to go that far, but I thought I would do this for this tutorial. We are done for today. I hope this demonstration will inspire you to create your own cartoon character. This was a first taste to cartoon design. In the upcoming tutorials, we will take a closer look to cartoon character design. So I will see you next Monday. Have a great week and create some great art. Bye.